I use disposable plastic cups with covers to make self-sustainable aquarium gardens. Let's use this cover to make a planter. Cut about 2 cm long piece of a disposable plastic straw. Insert the straw into the cover. I use a straw with an 11 mm diameter here. Use plasticine to make a ring around the top part of the straw. Plasticine never dries. Push the plasticine down to seal gaps between the straw and the cover. Congratulations, we have made a planter. Set up an aquarium in the cup. Put the planter on the cup. The bottom of the straw should be above the water level to allow air circulation while reducing water evaporation. Here are 2 more variations of the plastic cup planter. The bottom part is always the same. The top looks different, slightly protruding or not protruding at all. Either way does not affect functionality. In previous videos I have already shared with you many different plants, flowers and herbs that can grow with their roots in water. Simply insert the plants through the tube in the cover. Cup-size, self-sustaining aquariums are perfect for snails and many other small-size aquatic creatures. And even for land snails and caterpillars as shown in my previous videos. Simply to set up, easy to take care of, so such aquarium gardens can last all year round for your enjoyment. Check links in the description for more details. Have fun and happy aquarium gardens!